What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC, currently sitting at 34.6, up 0.41 on the day. Share market cap 675 billion, 24 volume 16.32 billion. So let's hop into the charts. So potential Elliott wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E. We already hit the 23.6 for a potential wave 4. So if this does break to the upside, any break above the wave 3 can complete the wave 5, but a normal target is this 618 at 38.2K. Just be very cautious here. We can still, if we fail to break the wave 3 and we just break down, then the correction simply isn't finished yet. We pull back in the wave 4 before pushing up in the wave 5. But as of right now, we do have a nice corrective triangle. So if we do end up breaking to the upside, we break the wave 3 high. That's when you could push to 38.2K. Just watch these divergences here. As we're consolidating, we are losing a bit of strength on the RSI. Money did flow out a little bit, but we are just going sideways. If we look at the daily chart, as you can see, beautiful bullish cross. We exploded to the upside. Let me zoom out here. We are pushing up into a resistance zone. As you can see, we had support here, a lot of support in this area. Back here as well. So this is definitely the area where I would assume we would get a larger rejection. Of course, anything is possible. And we're very, very overbought on the RSI. So I am expecting a wave 5 though, even if we were to break down first. But if we do shoot up from here, target 38.2. Just remember, any break above the 3 can complete the 5. We're just absolutely crushing it on our trade signals in the Discord. Up over 50% on Solana, up over 50% on Gala. As you can see with some of the members here, let me pop it open quickly. They absolutely crushed it on the Gala trades over the weekend. Signals are $10 a month. So we'll take a look at the DXY. I talked about retesting in the Discord. I posted about a potential retest of this triangle, and currently that is what the DXY is doing. So if we come deeper, it would allow Bitcoin to push up in that wave 5. So keep an eye on the DXY as well. If we were to break back into the triangle, then watch the support of 105, the bearish confirmation. But definitely a chance we retest and then push up for the DXY. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. It's good that we're consolidating, allowing the EMAs to catch back up to the candles. That's exactly what we want to see. So just watch this wedge. If we start to break out, more confirmation with the break of the wave 3 high, that we're pushing up in the wave 5. If we do end up rolling over, then we can drop into our wave 4 pullback zone before potentially bouncing. That's what I think would be the likely scenario. We're absolutely crushing it on the trade signals. We're in profits on Solana. Gala, they're over 50% in profit. As well as ETH is like over 10% in profit. For $10 a month, you can get my signals. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. If you deposit $100, that's $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. Not only do you get trade signals, but you get daily crypto analysis for many pairs. My exact trade setups, as I mentioned, we're in 3 trades that are just exploding. Crypto news, member profits, they're absolutely crushing it. Mahalo all plays Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're looking to get into gold and silver. Currently killing it on US oil. So not only do you get crypto trades, but you also get Forex for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Go check them out in the comment section. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.